determine the appropriate electrical service size, a load calculation is performed. The total load at 100% for the laundry equipment, dryers and washers is 123,568 volt-amps. The kitchen equipment at 65% is calculated as 21,421.4 volt-amps multiplied by 0.65, resulting in 13,973.91 volt-amps. The condensing and air handler units contribute 30,934 volt-amps. The lighting load is 8,000 volt-amps and the receptacle load is 4,140 volt-amps. The total load is then calculated by summing all the individual loads. This gives us 123,568 volt-amps plus 13,973.91 volt-amps plus 30,934 volt-amps plus 8,000 volt-amps plus 4,140 volt-amps, which equals 179,616 volt-amps. Since the total load exceeds 100 kilovolt-amps, a 400-amp service is required. For a 400-amp service, specific conduit and wire sizes are recommended. Firstly, a 3-inch Schedule 80 polyvinyl chloride conduit is suitable. Secondly, for the conductors, you could use 4/0 THHN/THWN-2 aluminum or 2/0 THHN/THWN-2 copper. The load calculation assumes all equipment is operating simultaneously. The 65% demand factor for the kitchen equipment is a recommended factor that may vary depending on the specific equipment and usage patterns. The lighting load is based on 2 volt-amps per square foot, which is a typical value for commercial buildings. Remember that it is always advisable to consult with a licensed electrician to ensure compliance with local codes and regulations.